Welcome to SpotOn Poynt. Today we are going to go over the various features and capabilities of the Poynt terminal. For those of you who are not quite sure what the Poynt terminal is, let me briefly explain. We like to call it a hybrid between an old-school desktop terminal and a full-blown point-of-sale system. What's cool about SpotOn Poynt is it can be used as a standalone terminal that is integrated with our loyalty and marketing tools, or it can be used more as a point-of-sale system with the business's full menu of catalogs and items. Business owners love the look of the Poynt terminal and the ability to engage their customers with a customer-facing screen. The terminal is meant for business owners who want to go green and not print receipts for every purchase. Poynt does have a built-in printer, but the printer is the terminal's biggest weakness. If printing receipts is important to a business, we can always send out a free external robust printer with the Poynt terminal. They just pay for shipping. It takes away some of the sex appeal, but works great. If you need the printer for one of your merchants, just request it in the special instructions on the application. But bottom line, this is an amazing device and a top seller, and one that will separate you from the competition, especially with a price point of only $15 per month. Okay, let's begin with the physical terminal. There are two screens, one merchant-facing 7-inch screen and a customer-facing 4.3-inch screen to collect customer information. Below the customer-facing screen is where you'll find the built-in thermal printer. If a business is enrolled in loyalty, they will also receive a stand that sits under the charging base and makes scanning customer QR codes seamless. The power button is located on the back left side of the terminal on the merchant-facing screen. Simply press and hold till you see the Poynt logo appear on the screen and release. Once powered on, simply drag down twice to get to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the local Wi-Fi network. Before helping a business set the terminal up for the first time, make sure to have them log into their online dashboard at SpotOn.com first and go through the Terms of Service and Setup page. If need be, hop on a computer with them and help them through the process. After that is done, the business will be able to launch the SpotOn app on Poynt and log in using the same email address and password they used on their online dashboard. Poynt can be set up a few different ways. The most basic is terminal mode. That allows you to simply key in an amount you want to charge a customer. By default, SpotOn Poynt will be set to terminal mode. The business simply logs in after completing the setup page online, and they are taken to the terminal screen. From that screen, you can apply a flat tax rate or a convenience fee in the slide-out menu, and customers can check in for loyalty on the smaller customer-facing screen, or they can add themselves to the marketing program for businesses not using loyalty. After the customer checks in, simply key in the amount you want to charge your customer, select cash or card, and complete the transaction. The SpotOn app also allows you to set up a catalog of items with pre-configured prices in point-of-sale mode. To switch the app to point-of-sale mode, you first need to launch the catalog app from the home screen and start adding categories and items. So basically, whatever products or menu items the business has. You will need to have at least one category to make the app switch to point-of-sale mode. After the items are set up in the catalog, log into the SpotOn app or restart the terminal if you are already logged in to make the change take effect. Once in point-of-sale mode, you can begin an order by adding items to it. Customers can check in on the customer-facing screen at any time during this process. Once the order is generated, you can select the blue bar on the top of the screen if the customer is checked in for loyalty to apply a redemption to the order, or you can simply hit the green checkout bar to go to the item details screen. If you are using any modifiers, select the item in the item details screen to access the modifier screen. Once done, hit update item to get back to order details and complete the checkout process. SpotOn Poynt can also be configured to use our appointment booking software. The appointment software allows you to check customers in for appointments, as well as check them out automatically. Appointments work in conjunction with terminal mode only. After the business has completed the online setup, they can sign into the SpotOn app on Poynt, and they will be brought to the Appointments Day view. Here you can see all the appointments scheduled for today. You'll be able to manage the status of each appointment directly from the Poynt terminal. Once the service has been rendered, you can select the option for Checkout Guest. This will check the customer in for loyalty, as well as pre-populate the spend amount from the customer based on the requested services. Then simply check the customer out with cash or card. However businesses want to configure the SpotOn Poynt, they will always have access to SpotOn's marketing, analytics, and review management tools. They also have our 24/7 customer support line, so let them know they can give us a call anytime at 877-814-4102 to speak with a consultant that can help them get the most from SpotOn Poynt.